If you're trying to choose between RustDesk and Parsec for remote desktop access, you're in the right place. In this video we'll go through what each tool does best, where they shine, and where they fall short, so you can pick the right one for your workflow. Let's start with RustDesk. RustDesk is an open-source remote access software that supports Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android and iOS. It aims to be a free, flexible alternative to commercial remote desktop tools and offers encrypted remote access, cross-platform compatibility, and the possibility to self-host your server, giving you more control over your data and privacy. Because of its lightweight design and absence of licensing costs, RustDesk is a good match if you want simple remote support, quick access to your own computer from elsewhere, or an inexpensive solution for personal or small-scale use. On the other hand, Parsec is built with performance in mind. Originally designed for streaming games, Parsec excels at delivering low-latency, high-frame-rate remote sessions, making remote desktop feel almost like local usage, especially useful if you plan to do video editing, creative work, or other GPU-intensive tasks remotely. Parsec runs on Windows, Mac OS, Linux and some mobile platforms, and is known for smooth streaming, responsive controls, and great performance when bandwidth and hardware permit. So when should you use each? If your priority is simplicity, cost-effectiveness, data control, and typical remote access tasks like file access, remote support, or occasional remote work, RustDesk is likely the better fit. If what you need is performance, fluid responsiveness, and GPU-accelerated remote sessions, for gaming, video editing or resource-intensive remote work, Parsec stands out. However, each has trade-offs. RustDesk, being more general-purpose and open-source, might not deliver the same high-performance streaming experience as Parsec. Parsec, while superb for performance, may need good internet connection and more stable hardware to shine. So the better one really depends on what you plan to do. If this video helped you weigh your options, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech comparisons and tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.